This video will go over several different things you can do to possibly participate in the upcoming Zksync token airdrop. This might turn out to be very valuable in the future, so kindly click like on the video if you enjoy this kind of content. I'll make more because there will soon be a variety of airdrop. Zksync is an Ethereum blockchain-based scaling solution. Going to the Zksync mainnet and activating your account is the first step you should take to gain access, because it is a Layer 2 system. To encourage you to follow along with every single step I outline, I'll leave all the links to everything I discuss in the description. In order to give yourself the best chance, pause the video and resume it. This token airdrop could be worth thousands of dollars, similar to the Aptos Optimism. The first thing you should do is add a small amount of Ethereum to the Zksync mainnet. You can do this by simply sending a transfer to a Zksync, connecting your wallet, and adding Ethereum. In other words, it literally does cost a little bit to do it, but once you've finished, your account is activated, and then you can start making a few more swaps. The earlier you complete it, the better, as I did. The second thing is that I've also been trading, and it wasn't until I transferred this much Ethereum into the Arbitrum Nova, which is also a Layer 2, that I realized I ought to upload a video to explain this to everyone, because it's something they all really ought to do. Free cryptocurrency with potential for the future. You should also register for a testnet account on the Zksync. Again, the description will contain all of the links. Head over to your MetaMask and add it. It is now a part of my MetaMask. It is the Zksync, a testnet alpha. You should arrive early and then enter the Zksync 2.0 to access the Gorilla Test Network thing. Again, all of the links are in the description. You should then proceed to the first set and request to claim the funds from the faucet. Once you receive the funds, they will appear in. Then you can simply experiment with different dApps. Then you can go mint $1,000, play games like gambling it all away, and keep doing that. It costs nothing to interact with their data because it is so simple to do so. All it takes is a few button clicks to gain entry. When they distribute their airdrop in the future, activating this testnet will probably be another step they check for. Go ahead and do that as well. Then like the video and comment on the airdrops and other things you're looking forward to, so that I can discuss them with you in later videos. Go into Mint Square, an NFT marketplace on the Zksync testnet. While you're still on the test network, make a few NFT purchases. You can accrue more points for potential future airdrops by engaging in more interactions on the testnet. I'll also purchase a few NFTs. The cheapest ones, which are just a picture of a white lion, are 0.01 if you enter the storefront in Mint Square. Oh, there are some bits there. Flicky the Frog. Purchase just a few of these, the creamy squiggle and the me bit for that price. Everything else is test material token. Get them into your wallet by going. You are interacting with the test network smart contracts. The third step, which is also very crucial to not skip, is to join Crew 3XYZ, which serves as a tool for community building for Web3s and Web3 projects like Zksync, and after that, you'll be given a ton of tasks to complete. Therefore, go over the tasks or quests. Sign up for Discord, get your roles, and welcome to the baby alpha by following Twitter. Then they ask you a few questions about their roadmap, which are fairly straightforward. However, it basically prompts you to look at their roadmap so you can gain understanding of the project. Basically, this Crew 3 is great because it connects to your Twitter, Discord, and MetaMask Ethereum wallet, and it's great for checking out all the various upcoming Web3 projects. It's definitely worth looking into it first and aids in locating potential airdrops. Do not overlook this. There are quite a few to check out, but these are the ones with which I'm currently engaged. To help you possibly obtain the ZK token in the future, you should go ahead and complete the Zksync. So with that, everyone please proceed and carry out each and every instruction I give you for the best results. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. On my new channel, it will truly mean the world to me. Thank you to everyone who watched.